kitchen.
Okay, now first, you know, we've got this mystery card we've got to deal with.
Okay.
So, Sonny, why don't you explain the mystery card?
Okay, so GZ, aka Geoffrey Zakarian, my teammate on the kitchen. You got a mystery card. It's just for you. It's an emergency card. You may choose to eliminate any one ingredient at any time during the cooking process.
Oh, I love that.
This is pretty good. I like
Thank you,
that.
my
Jesse,
man.
thank
At
It
you.
any
eliminates
time.
the problem of the double starch,
Just
but
be
only
nice
he
to me,
can do that.
okay?
Only you can do that, GZ.
Aarón, you
have
got
to
to
be
use
nice to me.
everything.
Oh, you are a mean
All right,
man.
so they each have a duplicate basket based on what you pulled, Sonny, so you can
Yep.
pull that
Thank you very much.
that one there.
Okay,
All right, we're gonna stay out of their way, son. Here, you come over here, sit with me.
I'm out of the way.
Now, Sonny, if you had this going on,
Jeez.
if you were looking into that basket,
Yeah.
let's talk about what you might do. Guys, you got 30 minutes.
Can we
as
get
soon
dressed?
as you get your apron on, we're gonna start that time.
All right. No funny
so much
business,
stress.
Rachel. No funny business.
So much pressure.
You guys will be just fine.
Yeah, we didn't mention that the game was just fun for us.
Yeah. I think with that basket, I don't know.
You know, we should remind everybody at home, the people whose bags you chose your ingredients from, they are going to collectively be your judge.
Oh, yeah.
So you are cooking
I see.
for them. So you are cooking for the people. Your 30 minutes starts now. Oh, that's a nice handshake to start things
was
off.
sweet.
Start the clocks, guys. So, Sonny, what would
Yes.
you do?
Gosh, with the pasta and the rice, I probably would like crack down the pasta penne and boil it with the rice. So I have like
Yeah, make a pilaf kind
yeah, a
of
little
thing.
bit of a pilaf type
Uh-huh.
thing, and then I would probably roast exactly what Aarón is doing right now. Roast those peppers right on the open flame, blitz them down with the carrots and even the lettuce, and make kind of like a sauce with the lettuce all ground up, the peppers, the carrots. And then I don't know what I would do with the chorizo. Probably just
You could put
blitz
it
it
into
down
the
as
rice.
well and make a sauce out of that. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Just
you
all
could-
in one pot meal.
Yeah, you could put it down into the rice pilaf.
Exactly.
Yeah, make a chorizo rice pilaf.
Oh gosh, I cannot wait to eat this.
Guys, do you have any game plan yet? Either one of you, or what are you
I
thinking?
always think survival is the best game plan.
Yes, we would like
So
you
I
to
wanna
live
end
through
and
this.
actually have a dish or two.
What are you thinking, Aarón?
I want to look good while I go do it.
Well, you both have achieved that. You both look very handsome in the kitchen.
Now, at the 30-minute mark, I don't know.
Very good looking. Over the break, I think we're gonna get them garbage bowls because GZ is piling his garbage.
I know this.
on
I'm
the
sorry,
ledge
but I
over
don't have any place to put the garbage.
We're gonna find
On
some
the
garbage
windowsill.
bowls. And guys, don't hate us, but after this, we may make this more complicated for the two of you.
Oh, there's a twist.
We have another little twist coming up for the fellas, being delivered actually by our next guest right after this.